Hello everyone, we are going to learn about how to use new window in Excel. You can work on same time in two Excel sheet. Okay, this is my Excel sheet. Just go on view. Okay, you can see here add new window. You can see here open second window for your document so you can work in the different place at the same time. At the same time, you can use two Excel for your work. Okay, just click on that. You can see this is I just return here. Um, Happy time is my work time. Okay, I just write here. I think this is already merged. Just want to unmerge. Okay, you can see here. Same data reflect here. So you can use two Excel on same time. Okay, that's it. Thank you.